Okay, so for practice problem, whatever, 3 maybe, let's annotate. So we have a crate with 20 bricks, weighs 167 pounds. That is an ordered pair. 20, 167. The same crate has 32 bricks. It weighs 191 pounds. That is also an ordered pair. 32, 191. How much would the crate weigh if there were 19 bricks in the crate? So the first thing we need to figure out is the rate of change, right? So let's find the rate of change, and then we'll figure out what is it telling us, because you got to find rate of change for everything. So this is our X1. Sorry, this is small. And this is our Y1. This is our X2, and this is our Y2. Plug it into the slope formula, which is Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So when I plug it in, I get 191 minus 167 over 32 minus 20. When I subtract, I get 24 over 12. I can reduce that because 12 goes into both of these numbers. So I get 2 over 1. 2 what? 1 what? That's what you have to ask yourself every time. So the number on top is Y. The number on top is your Y value, right? This is X, this is Y. So the 2 is representing pounds. The number on the bottom is your X value. The X is representing bricks. So this means it's 2 pounds for every 1 brick. All right? Bricks weigh 1 pound. Let's write that out right now because we need to have that as part of our answer. So the rate of change, I'm going to put ROC, is 2 over 1. Tell me what that means. Which means each brick weighs 2 pounds. Okay, we have not finished answering the question. The question is, how much is the crate going to weigh with 19 bricks in the crate? So there's 2 things we have to find out. First, we have to find out, well, how much does 19 bricks weigh? So how do we do that? We're going to take 19. We're going to multiply by 2. We're going to get 38. Okay? We're going to write that down. 19 bricks weighs 38 pounds. That's not the question. The question is not how much does 19 bricks weigh. The question is how much does the crate weigh with the 19 bricks. So we are still missing the weight of the crate by itself. Okay? That's the piece you may not have noticed that you had to find. So I'm going to switch colors. And I'm going to explain if you weren't able to figure it out. How do I do that? Well, I need to pick one of these ordered pairs. I'm always going to go with smaller numbers. I'm choosing this point. This point tells me that if I put 20 bricks in the crate, my total weight is 167. So I'm going to take 167 and I'm going to subtract those 20 bricks. I'm going to take them out. Well, how much weight is 20 bricks? You can do it in your head, but I'm going to write it down. 20 times 2 is 40. So I'm going to subtract the 40 pounds for those bricks. And I see that the crate weighs 127 pounds. 19 bricks weighs 138 pounds plus the crate, which is 127 pounds. Now you find the total. What is 127 plus 38? You get 15, 6, 1, plus the crate, which is 4, a total of 165 pounds. Now, Did you notice that I did that the long way? There's a much faster way to figure that out. They told me 20 bricks in the crate is 167 pounds. So to get 19 bricks, I just got to subtract 1 brick, y'all. 1 brick is 2 pounds. I didn't notice it at first. But yeah, either way, you're going to get to the right answer. Hopefully you start to see the faster way quicker than I did. Let's move on to the next practice problem.